5 things that a teenager should be wary of and keep away from. First thing is, every youngster should understand the perils of instant gratification. Because as the Bhagavad Gita says, anything that gives you instant pleasure gives you pain in the end. And that which is painful in the beginning gives you long-term happiness. Now, if you see, technology is moving towards more and more instant pleasure. There are things that are promised within 10 minutes. And if you don't get it within those 10 minutes, you complain. So we get used to swiping left for one thing, swiping right for another thing. And we are riding on this instant gratification. As a result of this, we get into serious trouble. Now, desire for instant pleasure, this leaning towards instant gratification makes us take decisions and move towards things that are not in our interest. So, the second thing that we should stay away from is toxic relationships. Now, how do relationships become toxic? Because we are looking for instant gratification. We want everything in the here and now. No one is ready to wait for pleasure that will come later. In fact, the more you postpone a pleasure, the greater the pleasure is. If you want it immediately, then it dies away. So also with relationships. And relationships become toxic because they're based on just surface gratification. That you want to go together to a nice place for dinner, you want the person to have money, you want the person to have a nice car, you want to just enjoy in the moment. You don't think of, will that person make for a long-term relationship? In other words, a person may be fun to be with for one evening, but that doesn't mean that the person will make a life partner. So these two are different things, and you must be prepared for the long haul. And once the relationship turns toxic, at least recognize it and have the courage to step away from it. The third is greed. Greed means you want to experience everything now. You're not willing to wait till you grow into an adult. There are certain things that teenagers are not allowed. For instance, alcohol is not sold to a person below 25 years of age. A driving license is not given to a person below 18 years of age. There is a reason for this. This is true all over the world. You can't try and shortchange that. That will lead to disastrous results and you will suffer all your life. And this restraint was levied by parents in the earlier generations. Now, children don't listen to their parents or do things on their own without consulting parents. So then the onus is on them. Next is peer pressure. Many of us do things because of peer pressure. Our friends say it, therefore I want to do it. And then the teenager harasses the parents to provide them with whatever it is that they want. And this calls for the development and the use of the intellect. Along with education, the children must be exposed to knowledge which helps develop the intellect, with which they will be able to think freely, think independently, and arrive at their own conclusions without having to depend on peers. And the last is envy and jealousy, comparison. More and more nowadays, because parents compare, we also get into this comparison mode where, because of that jealousy, you do things that are destructive, they destroy the other person, and more importantly, you destroy yourself. Jealousy is something that turns into toxic poison for you. So how must we face this jealousy? Understand that the other person has achieved whatever she's achieved because she's worked hard for it. And I will also be able to achieve it if I work hard. So if I want that, I need to work hard. Merely being jealous of the other person is not going to help. So these are the 5 things that we should steer clear of.